small tug. You see how it's lining up. Take another stitch through that one. Okay, just kind of fold it. And it's all about just working the yarn back and forth until it looks smooth. There's no stitches that are showing. Take it back up through this one. Like that. What we're going to just do again with this, take it from about in her, between her belly and her body. You can hide a lot of these stitches and tie it. Pull that again. That'll pop out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the yarn there. Through her belly. This piece we do the same thing. So come up through there. And we're close to that yarn because we just want it to show. Go through the yarn. So I'm just going to keep pulling this through and cut it out there. So we can hold it down. Push her head down just a little bit more so she's going to be kind of angled down. So now we're going to put her wings on. So now we're going to put her wings on. I've finished both wings with the dots. So we'll kind of stretch them out. And this is just kind of a matter of placing. Seeing where you want them to meet. So start that one. So you do this one here. We're going over that much on the front. Let's turn it down and we kind of check out the back then. So if we go that much around the front, that'll meet about there. I think for me, I'm going to bring it back just a touch. I'd like for them to meet right in the middle if I could. Yeah. And I think that will turn out pretty good. Actually, from her belly to all the way back. That's where I want that up. Check up and down. Let's see. I think I want up just a touch. All depends on really where you want her. I think I'd like them coming up maybe two of her shoulders. Ways there. We're still meeting in the back. That could be good. So once you have them where you think you want them, she will have her, actually her little paws are going to come out right from about here. So this is a real good place to get meet up there. Should go through there. Just make sure everything is just like you like it. And here again is where it helps. Once you are happy with that, pull the yarn back a little bit. And put just a little bit of glue there. It just helps instead of having to pin something. It helps it to keep it anchored. And at the last minute, you can change it a little bit. Got something there. Pull the yarn out from there. And bring it around, and again, about the middle. They can be a little bit poofy too, if you want them to be. But we have basically attacked there. I'll put a little bit there. Just enough to tack it in place for us. You can always just slightly adjust it as you're sewing it. We'll do that from there. Our other wing will go right, of course, on the other side. So we'll kind of line it up again. We're going about that far over. We'll keep it about that far over. We're going about that far to the height. That far to the height. Let's turn it around. See where we're meeting up in the middle? I like that. That goes right to there. Make sure that it is straight. That first thing we did right there. Angle that up. And then check around. Sure, double check, triple check. Always puff her body out a little bit. Front part right there is really where you want to make sure that you don't go too far over, because again her front paws are going to be going right there. Once you are happy where you have her wings, just going to tack it down a little bit again. That way it's not going anywhere. You need to adjust it just a little bit as you're sewing. But it'll move a little bit with you. And close that up. Like that. That's tacked pretty good right there, I think. But and just put a little bit more. So push that down. Okay, we have her wings now glued into place where we want them. We're going to drop back because her front paws are going to be tucked underneath there. We'll have her legs come out here. And like that. So I've marked where I think I would like for her feet to go. And we'll attach these in the same way that we've done the others. You'll want to put her front feet this side of the belly. And they're going to go down about that far there. So our wings are nice and stable. We don't have to worry about those. We'll take our marker out. And we've got it threaded. And we're going to just come out someplace, wherever we can get that needle to come out underneath her wing. It will be then all hidden. Push that through. And I was able to go that far with it. I wanted to go a little farther though, so I'm going to put back in there. Same stitch, that same hole. I think I want it to come out a little bit farther down so I got more room to work with it. And just put that down. And we're going to give it a good tug because this too will kind of get pulled through the stitch. Not a whole lot, just enough to firmly anchor that. And you can see how it's just gone into the stitch right there. We want that, of course, to stay nice and snug. So I'll go ahead and